Okay, here we're going to detail how to take off the top guard with these 4 bolts right here. 2 on this side and 2 over here. This model, the shaft is higher than what it should be, which would hinder its ability to align with the blade. We're going to fix all of that in this video. Okay, with the top guard off and the sprocket off the shaft, we're now going to push the shaft up and out so that we can slip the drive wheel assembly off of the machine to service it. Okay, after removing the nuts on all of the bolts that hold the bearings, the top and bottom bearings, we're going to try and remove the top bearing now. If the bearings do not slide on the shaft, you may need to use a puller device like this. Be sure to undo all the set screws on the bearings. There's 2 on each bearing. They're 90 degrees apart from each other. And then also be sure to loosen the set screws in the collar for the drive wheel assembly.